Hey guys, today we got a new delivery. Looks like it's our Microsoft HoloLens. Let's see what's inside this box. Alright. First thing we got here. Little box says clicker. I assume it's a nice little remote control. You know what? Let's open it up. Nice. Looks like a single button. Little guy. Here we go. The HoloLens. What is the HoloLens? The HoloLens is an augmented reality device by Microsoft. It's kind of like a Google Glass on steroids. It's going to have a screen that overlays virtual objects on top of reality. So I could take a holographic cat, put it on a table, and it will sit there on that table while I walk around the space. You can also put up web browsers, Twitter feeds, games. So how does the HoloLens track reality? To be honest, I'm not quite sure. I know it has some outward-facing cameras that it will use this to scan and then sort of understand its environment around you, and then really great positional tracking to stick an object in a physical location virtually and for it to stay there real well. From the other practice I've had using this, I've been very impressed with its positional tracking technology. So here we have a nice little case to hold and protect our HoloLens. Yes, this will be the development edition. We're part of the Wave 6 delivery. And here we have our HoloLens. This is a nice little sort of twisting unit here to tighten or loosen up the device. So I can then put it on, tighten it up, and there you go. It's me wearing our HoloLens. Let's see what else we got inside of this case. Start here, little foam insert, little getting started guide, microfiber cloth for cleaning the glass front, USB cable for charging the device, wall brick for the charger, and let's see what kind of output this thing wants. 5.2 volts at 2.5 amps. And it looks like it might have a couple replacement parts here. This looks like something to do with okay. This is an overhead strap. And a extra, maybe a nose bridge piece to go inside the nose. And I just already smudged the glass. And that is our HoloLens. We'll be getting this up and running shortly. So if you developers can come by, check it out, and start creating new apps for it. All right. Thanks, guys.